Okay, hello. You want to create logo designs and you don't want to do manually, so let me show how you to do it. These days it's possible to make logo and to compete with the best logo among all the other people in the world through some logo contest websites. So it was always idea of mine. I always kind of really love this contest to create the best logo and to gain the award. I try 1 month. I use Ideogram. I pay monthly subscription there, $20, 10 less than if you use Midjourney. And in Ideogram, this 1.0, like the latest update, you can do with letters. So you can make a logo. And you can make really good quality logos, and you can with these logos compete with others to win awards for the best one. But let me explain you what I like, what I don't like, and is it good for you. For me, I decided not to do it anymore. I tried 1 month and I said quit. But for you, maybe it's a you can earn good money, and it's also interesting job. So you can try it. So what you need? First, you need Ideogram. You need it's not expensive, $20 per month. Second, you need after you make in JPG image, generate image, you need to convert to vectors. So if you win award, actually, if you submit it to contest design websites, you need only raster, you need only JPG, so you submit through this. But if you win, you need to send him like all kind of different files. So I was in the past working in Adobe Illustrator, and then I'm doing logos like that. But you can use this website. I think it's the best. I watch a lot of on YouTube comparison, and I figured it out. This is the only, at the moment, really the best one. But the downside for this Vectorizer AI is you need to pay for it, and I think it's not kind of very cheap. So yeah, you just to check in euros. So you have a credits. It's I also don't like it's not unlimited. So you have a kind of credit, and if you pay like $30, it's 200 credits. I think it's only payable that when you win logo contest, then you come here and then to input raster and you get vector image. So, but yeah, it's very expensive, but it's very good. It's really good, and I try it, and it make really good vector image. And then after this, I put this vector image in Illustrator, and you can also do image trace and everything, and it's possible to make logos professionally. So you need only this kind of two, Ideogram and Vectorizer. And I will show you what logos I make using Ideogram. So this is kind of logos, I really like it. So this is what I make using Ideogram. So about letters, he is really good, but some letters he just not making it wrong, but he add some letters with which you didn't ask him to do it, for example. But if you put in the brackets letters, then it's like 95% he will make it a good job. So I really like this logo, using letters, some not using letters, sometimes using symbols, sometimes like digital images. And you see famous minds, like I really like it. This is all I made through Ideogram. Yes, of course you need like a lot of tries and everything, but at the end, for example, this one, It's or minimalistic like this one, or like, you know, symbols, some kind of, and then letters. Also, maybe problems will be with letters if they ask you to send which is the logo, you know, for example. But you say, you can always say, you know, I paint this, not paint, I draw this. It's not official logo, I draw it. So it's not part of the logo. It's not part of the font, I mean, it's not part of the font. So this is what I make logos, and also I, you know, for some kind of, I've also compete in some contests. For example, for this contest I get like really low score, 2 of 5, you know, and everything. And also I use it for this one, you know. This is my logos, and I will show you what kind of websites you can use to compete and to get awards. So this is what I find. One of the oldest is 99 Designs, and I have account of 99 Designs like many years ago, and then I tried to log in again with this same username and password, and I did, but they asked me to do like so many questions, you know, to upload my designs, the best designs and everything, to put social profiles. So I will put maybe, okay, this is the links I find on the internet, so you can find it, what is the best, you know, logo design contest websites. And then Design Crowd actually give me Design Hill. I was also active in Design Hill, but in Design Hill, what is a problem, you can only participate in a really low money contests. You know, I think it's $150 under. Then if you win on some like low money contest, then you will be able to compete in the others, much, you know, serious ones. So yeah, this is all others. You know, on LinkedIn I find some lists as well, Fever Design Hill, but this is more or less the same, you know, the same 10 or same 20 in the best one. You have some list, you know, how much designs. What I notice is like per contest is something between 100 and 200 designs, and money, it's to win it's 200, for example, or I don't know, 150, or there is some 300. And also there is always checkbox if it's guaranteed or not. But I think if it's very rare that contest holder said like, oh, I don't like any designs, I bring back my money, I don't want to give any money to anybody. It's very rare, but it can happen if the money is not guaranteed. So yeah, you have logo my way. It didn't try on everyone, but I try like on 5 or 6 the most. This one I try as well, the most ones. Design here. And what happened actually? It all sounds really good and really great, and I show you my designs, and I show you websites what to use. You know, this is my all what I did. You know, all designs that I did, and you see this is some kind of French, Texas, you know, everything. But I decided not to do anymore because I think it's very, you need to, even if you don't do it manually, you know, you must follow all kind of contents to various websites, and you know, I submit some designs and I get really bad rated, you know. I think these designs are not bad, and I get rated like 2 or 5 on each design, like, you know. And then when I see who win the contest, I was like really surprised. Not only this time, also in the past. You know, like, if there is like, it's my opinion, maybe I'm wrong, but if there is like 200 you know, submissions of designs, and there is like 5 the worst one, and among these 5 first, and some of them will, you know, and there is like some kind of really good, creative, original, really genius designs, and they get like the worst scores, you know. So it always depends what this content holder kind of wants and how he see through his eyes. So I was like always disappointed. So I don't want to think what he wants, you know. I don't care so much. Of course I care, but I don't care like about. I cannot focus like this, you know. So this is the first reason, and I think it seems like actually kind of, if you like compete all day, you will win one contest, and it's not bad money if you win one contest. Like you get like $200 per day. But I think it's not easy. It's not easy. You must submit so many designs. This helps a lot. You don't need to do it manually. But you know, it's not easy. And the second, which I don't like, is of course this. And I forgot to mention, for example, in some designs you can not even, you know, apply. For example, this new design signups closed. It's only working with the old designs. New one cannot. Logo tournament one on the famous website as well. So yeah, I show you this, and then, and also in one website they told me, like, we greatly inform you that after careful considerations, our verification team has determined that the designs you have submitted to design crowd did not adhere to quality standards, and my account in design crowd is closed. It cannot be reopened at this time. So maybe few of these design contest websites, when they notice that you use AI images, they will try to shut down your account. So be careful about this, because they're not open again, I believe, in still in this kind of designs. So this is also one of problem, which I will stop doing it. And I don't know if I show you like everything, yeah, about this Ideogram. It's very nice designs, and you can do a remix of the designs, and they show you what you can put colors you want to see on design. If you go into remix, and they will ask you, yes, generate, and it's pretty much fast, you know, and they show you how much progress Ideogram is doing. So it's good idea. It's really creative idea, and you can try, and if you're good, you can even combine doing something in Illustrator and with this AI approach as well. So you think it is for you, just go for it. I believe it's very good idea to use Ideogram. Maybe in the future we'll build like more AI generate images apps, like good as Ideogram, even better, so you can follow this year which one will. Maybe Midjourney in some time will also make good for letters, and it will be also good opportunity to use Midjourney for logos and text. So this is it, and enjoy image generations and try to make some really nice logos. Bye.